Hello, my learners. How are you? How are you doing? It's Murad Sultan Zwidi, the mathematics teacher. I just, promised you that today I will try to finish the booklet of mathematics, okay, so that you can, start revising by yourself, okay? So we continue, okay. Here, this question: y is equal to exponential minus x sine of x. Then find the second derivative of the function y. Therefore, I will try to solve this, learners. I will start solving this question. Now you are going to differentiate your equation and find the first derivative of it. Then you should differentiate again. Okay, this is my equation y. Therefore, dy with respect to x is in fact equal. I should differentiate, let's say, exponential of x. I will differentiate this one, okay, first. It will be minus exponential. It will be minus, give us minus exponential of, okay, of this is, okay, bro, minus exponential of minus x, multiply by what? Multiply by sine of x. Then plus what? Now I will differentiate. I will keep this as it is. Then I will differentiate the second function. Okay, this is the product rule. Okay, y is equal to u multiplied by v. This is product rule. I now going to differentiate this. The first derivative of let's say sine is cosine, so I will write here exponential of minus x multiplied by cosine of x. This is the first derivative of the function y. But the question is looking for to find the second derivative. Okay, to find the second derivative, my learners, you are going to differentiate this again. It's easy for you. Please, I'm recording, please. Please, I'm recording, Barhum. No, don't touch, Barhum. So just now, then the second of the function with respect to x, I will differentiate, let's say, this first. Okay, so this is my first derivative function, my first derivative of the function. I will differentiate this one. It will be a plus, because minus is plus, multiplied by sine of x, means I will, let's say, learners, I will differentiate this one. What is it? Okay, come on, Brian. Therefore, minus what? Minus exponential minus x. Okay, I will make minus, multiply by the first derivative of cosine. The first derivative of cosine here is of sine is cosine of x. Okay, I finished the first one. I will move to the second one. This one, I will try to differentiate this. I will write the first derivative of exponential of minus x gives minus exponential of minus x cosine of x, plus, then plus what? Plus, my learners, plus exponential plus exponential of minus x sine of x. No, please, Barhum, no, don't touch. Okay, please, Barhum, don't touch. I told you don't touch. Okay. Barhum, no, please, Barhum, please, Papa. Please, Barhum, no, don't do it. Okay, Barhum, please, I'm recording. Please, Barhum, go there and play. Give me this. Okay, give it to me. Good boy. Please, Barhum. Okay. We told that learners the first derivative of the function of exponential minus x sine of x is what we told. Please, Barhum. No, don't touch. Barhum. Boom, I will go back to home, boom, please try to be silent, okay? Therefore, you can see this one, learners. Let's say, okay. Then the first derivative of cosine is minus sine. I will write here minus, okay. Minus, okay, minus, I will erase this one, okay. Now, learners, you can see that exponential minus x minus exponential of sine of x, which is equal. In fact, this one will be cancelled, this one will be cancelled, okay. So it will be only, it remains only, no. For whom I told you should be quiet, should be quiet. Comes here and comes here, okay, go there and tail. So we told that we cancel this one, exponential minus x sine x. Then we have minus exponential minus x sine of x. This one will be cancelled. So therefore, the last answer, learners, should be equal to the second derivative of the function, learners, is that it will be equal to minus 2 exponential minus 2 exponential, okay, again minus 2 exponential minus 2 exponential minus x cosine of x. Okay, this is this line. Therefore, this one, the learners, is the correct answer. Okay, because this and that will be cancelled out. Okay, so here in this options we have what exactly? We have, let's say, the second derivative is 2 minus 2 exponential minus x cosine of x, or minus 2 exponential of x cosine of x, or minus 2 exponential minus x sine of x, or minus 2 exponential of x sine of x. So this one is the correct answer. Okay, I wish that's clear for you, my learners. At least how can you differentiate this equation 2 times to find the second derivative of the function, and then you will deduct that the first option is correct. Okay. For the second question, here we have sine half a multiplied by cosine half a is equal 1 over 4 sine square of a, or 1 over 4 cosine square of a, or 1 over 2 sine of a, or 1 over 2 cosine of a. Here we are going to use the formula. Simply I will just write this. Okay, I will put it here if it is possible. I will explain this. So I will make paste. We have what we told sine, the formula of double angle, sine double angle formula is, okay, sine 2 times a, the angle a, is in fact equal 2 times sine a, then multiply by cosine a. This is the double angle formula. Okay. I will cross all of this. Okay. You are going to use this one, learners. Cut, copy. Two sine, cosine. Okay. But here you see, is sine 1 over 2a, means sine of a divided by 2, means sine half of a. Therefore, from this implies that, or this will give us, okay, is it symbols? Barhom, come on, Barhom. I will write sine a is equal, in fact, to 2 times sine, then I will insert here a fraction, so 1 over 2, 1 divided by 2, okay, a, okay, it's yours. This is parentheses, of course, learners. Okay, multiply by cosine of, between parentheses, the same ratio, the same angle. Okay, same angle. Then this one. This is the formula of the double angle, sine double angle. But here in this equation, learners, we have sine 1 over 2a multiplied by cosine 1 over 2a. So to find this, I will write this again if it is possible. Okay. I will make enter, then B. So this one, to find, let's say, sine, to find sine of 1 over 2a cosine 1 over 2a, I should divide both sides by 2. Okay, so I'll obtain 1 over 2 here, 1 over 2 equation, 1 over 2, or sine over 2 as you like, 1 over 2, because I will divide by 2 both sides, and this is 2 divided by 2, it will cancel immediately. So in fact this one is equal to this. Therefore here we learn the correct answer is that. Okay, the correct answer is this. It's clear that half sine of it. This is how can you answer this question. I wish it's clear for you, my learners. Okay, we use double angle formula of sine. Okay, this one it's called sine double angle formula. Okay. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Okay. Okay. So this one sine double angle formula. Therefore, bro, don't touch. No. No. Okay. Bro, no. I told you. Did you understand? Yeah. Therefore, learners, I will continue now. For the next question, the question is try to find the first derivative of f of x, which is x to the power 4 plus 2x over x squared. Okay, here my learners, it's very easy. I will just write my function here. Barhom, no, don't touch Barhom. So this is the function f. My son is playing. Is equal to, okay, we told x to the power 4. Okay, I will write this again. X to the power 4. Yaqeen, please. X to the power 4 divided by, okay, this is x. Home now, I told you. No, I told you now, means now x square. Okay, then here plus what? Plus 2x plus 2 times x. Okay, now to differentiate these learners, it's very easy. Okay, I'll just erase all of this. So it's easy now to find the first derivative of the function. It's will be labeled as f dash. Therefore, f dash is equal f dash is equal to what? I will make f, then dash is equal to, I should differentiate the first function that is written on the numerator. Then I will keep the next function on the numerator as it is, means I will make x square. Okay, x square. Here we need a fraction. X square between parentheses. The first derivative of this will give 4x to the power 3. 4 x to the power 3 plus what? Plus 2, because the first derivative of 2x is 2. Plus 2. I will close the parentheses. Then I should subtract the first derivative of x square. This one, okay. This one I will make again. I will make x square between parentheses, x square. I close this one. Then I should be raised to the power 2. This is the formula. Minus the first derivative of x square is 2x. 2x multiplied by x to the power 4, x to the power 4, x to the power 4, okay, x to the power 4, plus 2x, plus 2x. Then I will close the parentheses. If you want to simplify more, it will be very easy. Barhom, come on. Barhom, come. So it will be equal. I will now, let's say, expand the first, or I will divide, let's say, by this one can be written as x square multiplied by x square. I will, okay, no need, I will do it after, no problem. This is, it will be 4. I will erase this one. It will be, I will erase all of this so that it's clear for you. Okay. We told that 4x3 multiplied by x squared is x to the power 5, should multiply by 4, so 4x to the power 5. This is x to the power 5. Okay. Then plus 2 times x square plus 2 times x square, 2 times x square. Why? Simply because 2 times x square. Why? Simply because 4x to the power 3 multiplied by x squared is 4x5. Then x squared multiplied by 2 is 2x squared. Then we have minus 2x to the power 1 multiplied by x to the power 4 gives us minus 2x to the power 5. X to the power 5. Because 2x multiplied by x to the power 4, there is negative sign. Then 2x multiplied by 2x is 4x, and there is negative sign here. Minus multiplied by positive is minus. Therefore, gives minus 4x square. 4x square. Okay, 4x square. So this one equal learners. Okay, this will give us copy and paste. This one will give us 4x to the power 5 minus 2x to the power 5 gives only 2. 2x to the power 5. Then I will erase this one because I already subtracted. Okay. Then 2x squared minus 4x squared gives minus 2x squared. Minus 2x squared. Divided by what? By x to the power 4. I can write here x to the power 4. But also you can simplify by x squared because it's common factor. So this one should be, it can be written. No, bro, don't touch, please. Please, I told you. No. Take this. Home, please. Equal. Okay. This one is equal to what? To this is x squared, because I'm going to write x squared as a common factor. So x squared between parentheses 2x to the power 3. 2x to the power 3. Then minus 2 here. Barhom, come on. Barhom, come on. So now I will cancel this, my learners. I will cancel this one, x squared, and here x squared. This one can be written as x squared multiplied by itself. So the last answer is that. The last answer, learners. This one is equal. Barhom, please. Is equal to. So والله يا برهوم معاك والله. اوكي حبيت تركح صح؟ بقول لك كيف. بقول لك بعدين. بقول لك يا برهوم كيف بعدين. Okay. So this is the last answer, daughters. Okay. This is the first derivative of the function. Okay. This is 3 marks, so it's easy for you to do it. Okay. and I will just let you remember that the first derivative. Please, Jury, please. Barhum now. Barhum, I told you now. Do you hear me? So this is the question. I can add something for you learners. I will let you remember that. Okay, if you want the phone home, quotient rule. We'll use quotient rule. Okay, quotient rule learners tells that if I will use this one, if y equal, or I will use this. If y is equal to u divided by v, u divided by v. Again, Control C, Control X. So by v. Now the first derivative of the function y. Okay. Means the first derivative of the function y equal u over v will give y dash, which is dy with respect to x, y dash equal, I will use this again learners, equal what? Copy and complete. Okay, equal u dash, okay, equal u dash multiply by v minus v dash multiply by u divided by what? By the square of v. Okay, divide by the square of v. Okay, the square of v, I will use this one. This is the formula. Okay, the square of v. This is the quotient rule. Okay, here you are going to suppose that u is x to the power 4 plus 2x. Okay, and v is x to the power 2. So v square is x square all squared, means x to the power 4, and then it's easy for you to simplify by the common factor, which is x squared. And then for the what is it above this main division is u prime, or the u dash multiplied by v minus v dash multiplied by u. Just calculation, you will find the answer. Okay, the next example we have go. Okay, now we suppose that given that limit of h tends to 0 of f(x plus h minus of x over h equal x plus 1, calculate the grade of the curve f of x when x equal to. Here, learners, it's very easy. So therefore the gradient I will label as m. The gradient is m equal 2 plus 1, means you are going to replace x equal 2 in the first derivative of the function. Okay, this is called the first principle of the derivative, the first principle. Okay, this one. Okay, therefore this one is equal to plus what? 2 plus 1 gives 3. Okay, gives 3. I will erase this one. Okay, so it will be the gradient is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So here it's simply because the gradient m is equal to what? To f dash of 2. Okay, which is equal to 2 plus 1. Okay, for the second question we have if y equals 3ax minus 16 is the equation of the tangent of x equal 5x cubed minus 3x plus c at x equal 1. Then calculate the value of a. First of all, learners, you see this one, y equal 3ax minus 16. 3a is the gradient, means you should differentiate this function and substitute x equal 1 will give you 3 times a. Therefore, I will write here, I will insert, okay, here I mean, okay. As this one, it's a direct application. Okay, like that. So I will make here copy paste. So I will write now the first derivative of the function f dash of x is equal to what? Equal 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 15x to the power 2. Then minus what? Minus 3 times minus 3. Okay, this one, learners, in fact is equal to 3a when x equal 1. الحين I will tell at x equal 1 we have the gradient m. The gradient m is equal to f of 1 equal f of 1 equal f of 1. Okay, because x is equal to 1. Okay, which is equal to what, learners? Just substitution. 15 multiplied by 1 squared, 15 minus 3 is 12 equal 12. And this one, f dash of 1 equal 12 equal 3 times what? 3 times a equal 3a. Therefore, now you have a new equation. So you can divide by 3 to find a. Okay, therefore, learners, I will just write this one as Barhom, come on, Barhom, come, hurry up, come. So it will be 3a divided by 3. Okay, or I will write it here as a fraction if it is possible. Okay, I will write here 12 divided by 3 to understand this, to understand that we really divide both sides by 3, and the c's is gonna be also 3a divided by 3. 3a divided by 3. Okay, divided by 3. Therefore, a is what? A, learners, is 4. Therefore, a is 4. A equal 4. Clear? So it's easy. Okay, you can do it. And then what else? And now, okay, now we move to the next question. Okay, the next question we already did in the classroom. Okay, we can move to the next one here. Okay, let y equal x sine of x, where x is x more than 0. Prove that the second of dy is negative 2 exponential of x. So this one we did it before, my learners. Is this question approximately where this one? Okay, we proved that the second derivative of the function, this one, is minus 2. Why? I will copy this as it is. This is the proof. Okay, Barhom, come on, Barhom, do you hear me? Barhom. Okay, so this one, learners, is the solution of my equation. I really proved that. With all this, I will make with blue color so it's clear for you, I thought. Then this is minus sine, minus exponential minus x, sine of x. Okay, blue color. So they will be cancelled. So minus, okay, well, minus exponential. Okay, bro. Okay, put this here. Give me that. Okay. Okay. Show that. Let's say I will put it up. Is possible. maximum. Just here, my learners, you will direct application. You will change here x with pi over 4. So I will just write the last one, the last answer, proof, or I will use this one. Okay, I will copy here with all that. So y dash, I will erase all of this, no need. Jury. Okay, so also this one, no need. This is no need. Okay, so with all that, تعال. So now come here. So y dash, y double dash, when x equal pi over 4, should be equal to what, learners? Okay. You will check if it is negative or positive. If it is positive, so you have a minimum. If it is a negative, you have a maximum. I'm come to you, Abraham. I'll come to you. Okay. So with all that, now we'll just substitute this with pi over 4, but please don't touch. So it will be here negative pi over 4, then cosine of pi over 4, but cosine of pi over 4, learners, is 1 over root of 2, so it will be, okay, go there. So this one, in fact, is it positive or negative? This is positive. Cosine of pi over 4 is positive because it's 1 over root of 2, and exponential minus pi over 4 always is positive, and 2 is positive, but there is negative sign. This one is always negative. Is negative. So as it is negative, so at that point, so we have a maximum. It's a maximum. Okay, let's see the answer for this question. The next. Oh, stop. Okay, this is the first point of stationary point, which is a maximum point. Why? Because the value of the second derivative at x equal pi over 4 is negative. Now we check if we have another point. Okay, this is maximum. Barhom, come on. Maximum. Okay. Maximum. Okay. Therefore, I will go to the next point. To find the next point, learners, you should go back to the first derivative of the function and set the y dash equals 0. Means you are going to find the stationary point. One is given, and check it, and you should find the next one, the second one. So I will go back to my first equation. This is the first derivative of the function. Okay, or I will take this as it is. So learners, now I will try to find the second point. The second point, I will make what? Be careful at this kind of questions. Okay, come down, copy and paste. So stationary point, we found the first maximum point. I will try to find if we have another. This is y equal exponential sine of x. Then dy with respect to x is that. I will write this as that, my learners. I will cut out this. Okay. Or here you see exponential minus x, and here exponential minus x. This is a common factor. I will write this as equal exponential, okay, minus x, between parentheses, cosine of x minus sine of x, minus sine of x. You can see that the particular solution is pi over 4. Okay, so, okay. I will try to state this equals 0. Okay, I will write here, this one is equal to 0. Okay, copy. So this one equals 0 means what, learners? Means that I will make enter. Okay, this one, the first derivative of the function y dash equals 0, y dash equals 0 means that exponential minus x cosine of x minus sine of x equals 0. Therefore, the first solution we told is pi over 4. Cosine pi over 4 is 1 over root of 2. Sine of pi over 4 is 1 over root of 2. 1 over root of 2 minus 1 over 2, really it's 0. Meaning this one is 0 in fact. Okay, so this will give us cosine x minus sine x equals 0. Therefore, to solve this question, learners, okay, cosine, I will repeat it, minus sine of x equals 0. Therefore, this one I will write it as equal r cosine of x minus theta. Where is the angle theta? Or minus alpha, كما تريدون. Okay, minus theta. Okay, therefore the radius now, you can see this is 1, is written 1, but is raised 1 multiplied by cosine. This is minus 1 multiplied by cosine. Therefore the radius r is equal to the square root of 1 square plus, between parentheses minus 1 square. Okay, minus 1, close the parentheses, then raise it to the power. Okay, this one it's in fact equal root of 2. 1 squared is 1, minus 1 squared is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So root of 2. I will write immediately root of 2. This is the radius. Okay, is the root of 2. Now I need to find the angle. So the angle here, as it is, okay, I will make a minus to be positive. Therefore, I will try to use this again. Okay, and I use the expansion of sine and cosine. I will write this one down. So I will write first this one. This cosine of x minus sine of x is equal to r cosine x minus theta. This one is equal to what, learners? Equal r between parentheses cosine x, then cosine theta. I will keep this one, cosine theta. Okay, then I can appear it here as a plus, no problem. Okay, or minus, whatsoever. So the expansion of the difference between angles of cosine, it will be here minus, it will be positive. sine x sine theta. Okay, then I close the parentheses. Therefore I should equate now both sides. I make that. I will make that r cosine of x cosine theta equal what? Equal cosine of x. Okay, therefore I will write this as this is I will get two equation. I will make cosine x cosine theta equal what? Equal y. And I will write now minus or sine x sine theta equal what? Equal minus 1. Equal minus 1. Therefore, not minus 1 here, cosine of course 1 multiplied by cosine of x, and this is equal minus sine of x. Then I will cancel the sine of x. Here cosine of x and here cosine of x. So cosine theta, okay. And here there is, let's say, r. So r in fact is root of 2. This is root of 2 because r is root of 2. Okay, this is root of 2, and this is also a root of 2 sine x sine theta equal minus sine. Therefore I will cancel now this one. I will cancel the cosine and the sine x because they are common factor for each. The cable يا أخي جوري the cable هذا. Therefore I will make enter. Therefore I will write what? Now I will erase this one because cosine is cosine x equal cosine x, so it will be here 1. I will divide both sides by cosine, and here I will divide both sides by sine. Okay, so this is minus 1. Then you can use tangent ratio. Minus 1. Tangent ratio is sine over cosine, means tangent ratio is tangent of theta. Tangent of theta equals tan theta. Tan theta is equal to what? Is equal to 1 divided by minus 1 equal minus 1. Okay. Therefore, learn this. Theta is what? Theta is tan minus 1 of tangent minus 1 of minus 1. Therefore, tan of the inverse function of tangent, tan minus 1 of, we told or of theta here, theta equal tan minus 1 of negative 1. Okay, negative 1. You can use your calculator. You will obtain. Okay, it will be Juri, obtaining calculator. Okay, I will give you after. Here we have what? We call it 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 برهم 10 minus 1 tangent minus 1 of negative 1. So it will be negative 45. So this one you can use class. It will be negative equal negative pi over 4, which is negative 45. Negative pi over 4. Negative, this is pi. Negative pi over 4. Okay. Now this is my angle. Just this one, put it. Yes, like put it here. Okay. So I will write now. Okay, I will write this. I will write cosine. Okay, cosine of x minus theta, which is pi over 4, okay, equals 0. Okay, now I will extend this one, if it is possible, of course. Okay, we told x, this is minus, I will write minus between parentheses, minus pi over 4. Minus or minus is positive, so this one gives, yes, okay, gives cosine between parentheses x plus pi over 4. Pi over 4. Okay. Equal what? Equal 0. This one learns when exactly it's equal to 0. Cosine is equal to 0 when x equals pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2. Therefore, this gives, or this implies that, okay, please, that x minus pi over 4, we told it's positive, because minus is positive, plus equal pi over 4, pi over 2, sorry, equal pi over 2, equal pi over 2, or x plus pi over 4 is equal to what? Is equal to 3 pi over 2. You see the 3 in 2 condition, 3 multiplied by pi over 2. Okay. I will write down. Okay, no problem. This is 3 and this is 2. Okay. Now learners, it's very easy here. I will just now try to find the value of x. Okay. I will copy this again. Barhom, come on. Barhom, please. Down. Okay. Now learners, I will make like that. This is very important, learners. Okay, the method. I will enter this here. I will make copy. Why here? Okay. Control. Now you see, x plus pi over 4 equals pi over 2. I will write this pi over 2. I will multiply the pi by 2 and the 2 by 2. It will be here 4. And up is 2. Is the same, no difference. Okay, is 2. And here also 3 pi should be multiplied by 2. It will be 6. And 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Okay. Therefore, to solve this equation, x plus pi over 4 equal to pi over 4, the pi over 4 will be transferred on the right hand side. It will be negative. Okay? Therefore, right now, this will give us, okay, this is minus x is equal to what? To 2 pi over, okay, it will be 2 pi over 4. 2 pi over 4. This is 2 pi minus pi over 4. 2 pi over 4 minus pi over 4 كم يساوي boys؟ يساوي pi over 4. That's why, okay, that's why here my learners, we told for the question that is I thought D, I thought, yes, this one, pi over 4. It's called particular solution, okay? But here in this question we really prove that x equal pi over 4 in the stationary point that occurs at x equal pi over 4. We need to find the next point. This is very important for you to understand this one, okay? Now to find the next one, for this I mean here, because we need this one, I will move to the second one, or you can say x equal, now 6 pi over 4 minus pi over 4. I will it will be 6 pi over 4, 6 pi over 4 minus 6 pi over 4 minus pi over 4, which is equal in fact to 5 pi over 4, equal 5 pi over 4, because 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is the two stationary points on the curve. So now check if you have a maximum at this point, yes or no. Let's check. I will extend this one. Okay, I'll make like that. Okay. Okay. I will make now a check. I will use the second derivative of the function, which is what, learners? Which is this one. The second derivative is this minus 2 exponential minus x cosine of x. I will try to check it is positive or negative. Okay, and then to find the coordinates of the point at x equal 5 pi over 4, just will substitute in the original function y equal exponential minus x sine of x. It means to find the y coordinates when x equal 5 pi over 6, just substitute here x with 5 pi over 6, and this is 5 pi over 6. Okay, 5 pi over 6, the sign should be negative. Okay, then I'm here now. I will write my equation. I will write that like that. This is dy with respect to x, the second derivative, y dash means y dash is equal to minus 2 exponential minus x cosine of x. Now try to, let's say, do this. To change this by 5 pi over 4. Okay. Jory, give me the calculator. Yeah, thank you. I will give again. I wish the revision is clear for you learners. So we told the cosine 5. Jory, please. Okay. So here I will just substitute this with that. It will be minus the function is the second derivative. Yes. Now we are going to use the second derivative of the function. So the second derivative, to check the second derivative, I will come as second derivative. What is we're here? This one, yes. Okay. I will copy this. I need it, and we will check if it is negative or positive. If it is positive, it's a minimum, and if it is negative, it's a maximum. Okay. So when x now equal 5 pi, it will be 5 pi, and this is cosine of 5 pi. This. Okay, I will just copy that this. Okay. Now my learners, we told that cosine 5 pi over 4 is cosine 5 pi over 4. So 5 pi is 5 multiplied by 180 divided by 4, 225. So cosine 225 is negative. Multiplied by negative is positive. This one is positive. Means at this point 5 pi over 4, and the equation is the original equation we told exponential sign. اوكي برهوم نو برهوم انزل ولدي انزل بليز برهوم طيح راب. Okay, I will make now sine of sine of 2 to 5, which is negative, so it will be negative there. Therefore, at this point, okay, we have it's a stationary point, but it's a minimum simply because the second derivative of the function is positive. Okay, I wish that is clear for you, my learners. Okay, we'll continue inshallah next time. I hope that the revision was clear for you. Okay. I will save this one. Barhom, no. Barhom, please. Okay. So here find the next maximum point. So find the next minimum. So thank you for listening. We'll continue next time, okay?